So yesterday I wired up a wireless remote to my winch because I was at the shop the other day and I was working on it and I was using the winch to compress some things. Forgot about it, ran over my winch cable, ripped it out of the box. So I jumped online. I found an Amazon it's like 20 bucks for this little wireless remote, and it was super easy to wire up. So I'm gonna walk you through it real quick. I already did it, so it's kind of gonna be abbreviated, but I can show you what we did and how easy it was to set up a wireless remote. Okay, so first of all, it came with some instructions which were kind of helpful in that it showed me which wire was hot, which one's the in, which one's the out, and that's really all you need to know. It has 4 wires, one's a ground, and then you've got your blue wire, which is your antenna. So let me show you what we did. Okay, sorry for the lighting, I'll do the best I can, but this little plug right here is attached to your remote. This is where you plug in your wired remote. So I just cut it off as close as I could, and then you can unplug it. And if you start tracing your wires, the kit or the instructions told me that, red is hot, your black was your ground. So you find your ground screw, just back that screw out, slide it down in there, tighten it back. Your white was out, yellow was in. So I traced the red wire, and that coincides with this yellow one. So we butt connected them and then heat shrinked them, heat wrapped them. Red goes to the yellow. This was my in, and this was out. Then all you had to do is plug it back up. I don't know if I can plug it up. All right. This is your wireless remote. You can put it anywhere you want to in the box. This spot right here looks like a great place for me. I'm going to put some double-sided tape down, stick my box on there, tuck my wires up, and then you've got your handy-dandy remote. Turn it on, out, and back in. And really, it was that simple. So I got my double-sided tape down, folded my wires up on top real nice. Here's my antenna. Then we'll just set this cover back over it. Yep, there we go. Run our screws in, which are actually Allen heads, and it'll be done. I know that was kind of fast, but according to YouTube, people don't like to sit and watch things very long anyways. I did this same thing in my JK, but I used the Harbor Freight remote, and it was like $50. A little more complicated, not much, but this was like $20 on Amazon. I'll put the link in so you can go. I'm not an affiliate or nothing. It's just, if it can help you, it can help you. Literally took me 20 minutes or less. It was a fun little project, and now if I get stuck in a mud hole, I don't have to get out, try to crawl my way over the tire or something. I can just winch it from inside, nice and dry. So maybe it'll help you. Hope y'all have fun. See you next time.